We were just kids on an old back road, your hand in mine where the wild grass grows. You wore blue jeans, I wore that smile, and we swore forever after a little while. Friday night under stadium lights, sneaking kisses where the river bends at night. Everybody said young love fades away, but girl, look at us today. Through every storm and every mile, you still make this old world feel worthwhile. From church bells and dirt roads to white dress tears and a house we called home, from young wild hearts to holding on strong, baby, we proved them all wrong. Now every wrinkle tells our story of hard days, grace and glory. And if I had to live this life again, I'd still choose you in the end. From church bells and dirt roads, we raised babies in that little town, watched them grow up and move around. And every Sunday sitting side by side, I still see that young girl in your eyes. Life wasn't always easy to survive. There were nights we barely got by, but love ain't measured by what you own. It's who stays when the lights go low, and when they lay these tired bones down beside that little church outside town. I hope heaven looks a lot like this, your hand in mine and one more kiss. Yeah, from